Steady's Income Passport is the easiest way to verify your self-employment and 1099 income for government programs, financial products, renting an apartment, or anything else that requires proof of income. It only takes a few minutes, beginning with the connection to your work accounts and the financial institutions where you receive work payments. A few additional clicks and we automatically take care of the rest. First, log into your existing Steady account, or if you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. Make sure all your details are correct. Then continue to all your gig accounts. Using the appropriate login credentials. For security, you may be prompted to verify that it's really you logging in. If your gig account isn't listed or you have other self-employment 1099 income, no problem. Simply log in to all the places you receive payments for your other work. Whether it's a bank, credit union, prepaid debit card, or other financial institution like PayPal. Once your accounts are connected, we go to work and begin gathering the income data for your report. Next, choose the type of report you'd like to create. Our custom reports allow you to select any start and end date and decide if you want your income report to be organized by week, month, or quarter. For example, if a government program, landlord, or financial product requires you to provide 6 months of income history, simply choose a date range for the past 6 months. Select monthly and then continue. If you need income verification for PUA or MEUC, select that option and specify which year you applied for the benefit. We have built-in logic that will generate your report for the correct year in the perfect format. For PUA and MEUC, benefits are based on income after expenses, which you enter for each month of the year. For work that requires the use of your vehicle, entering in mileage will automatically calculate auto-related expenses based on the relevant IRS allowance for gas, oil, repairs, tires, insurance, registration fees, licenses, and depreciation, or lease payments. Other work expenses allows you to enter other non-car related expenses associated with your work. Repeat the process for all of the months in each quarter. It can take a few minutes to gather all the income data from your connected accounts. If we're still working on it, we'll let you know and send you an email when we're ready. Once the data has been collected, if you've connected to a bank or other financial institution, you'll be taken to a list of deposits that occurred during the time range of your report. This is where you identify your self-employment and 1099 work income other than the income from the gig accounts you connected. To help filter the deposits, you can search for specific transactions or focus only on the accounts where your work income is deposited. To create your first income source, select one or more deposits that came from the same source. Choose Create New Source. Name the income source and save. Repeat the process until all of your self-employment or 1099 income has been reported, and then continue. That's it. Your report is generated and you can review, email, or download it. The report shows a summary of your income for quick decisions as well as information on how it was generated and ways we can be contacted in case anyone you provide it to has questions. It also provides all of the underlying details about your income that should leave no doubt about the validity. For non-native speakers of English, Steady's Income Passport is available in a variety of languages. It's also mobile-friendly and designed to work on any device. Steady's Income Passport, the easiest way to share your income history, regardless of the destination.